To earn cash back with BMO, start by opening a BMO Cash Back credit card account, which can be done online or in person at a BMO branch. Once your account is approved and you receive your card, you can begin making purchases to earn cashback rewards. The BMO Cashback credit card offers a certain percentage of cash back on all net purchases, with higher cashback rates for specific categories such as groceries, gas, or dining. To maximize your cashback earnings, use your BMO Cashback credit card for all your daily purchases, especially in the higher cashback categories. To redeem your cashback rewards, log into your BMO online banking account or use the BMO mobile app. You can choose to receive your cashback rewards as a statement credit, which will be applied directly to your credit card balance, or you can have the rewards deposited into your BMO checking or savings account. To get the most out of your BMO Cashback credit card, make sure to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges, which can negate the value of your cashback rewards. Also, be aware of any rotating cashback categories or spending limits that may apply to your card, and plan your purchases accordingly. In addition to earning cashback rewards, BMO Cashback credit cards often come with other benefits, such as purchase protection, travel insurance, and exclusive discounts. By taking advantage of these benefits and using your card responsibly, you can make the most of your BMO Cashback experience and enjoy significant rewards and savings over time. Overall, earning cashback with BMO is a straightforward process that can help you save money and get the most out of your daily purchases. By following these steps and using your BMO Cashback credit card wisely, you can enjoy the benefits of cashback rewards and make your money go further.